Hello, my name is Kristen. I'm the Trade Show Coordinator for ViewTech Borescopes. I wanted to let you know that ViewTech will be exhibiting during the 2020 MINExpo at the Las Vegas Convention Center in Las Vegas, Nevada from September 28th through the 30th. Stop by booth 27340 to learn more about the VJ3 video borescope. ViewTech's borescopes can reduce cost and downtime with your inspections, including our new VJ3 dual camera and ultraviolet video borescopes. We even have a no-cost, no-obligation demo program that allows you to try the VJ3 at your own facility. Be sure to stop by and visit with ViewTech at booth 27340 for more details. Click the link below to register to attend the 2020 MINExpo or visit viewtech.com for more information on our impressive line of fully articulating video borescopes.